China's electric revolution, leading the charge with 10 million EVs in a year, from bustling city streets to cutting-edge factories. China is transforming the future of transportation with electric vehicles. Imagine a world where the future of transportation is not just a dream, but a tangible reality. China has shattered records by becoming the first nation to produce 10 million electric vehicles in a single year. This isn't merely a manufacturing milestone, it's a groundbreaking shift in global energy and environmental policy. Welcome to Milwaukee Insights, where we delve into the electrifying details. If you're passionate about the intersection of technology and policy, hit that subscribe button. Let's dive into this monumental achievement. In a groundbreaking achievement, China has shattered records by producing over 10 million electric vehicles in 2024, a remarkable testament to its relentless drive towards electrifying its transport sector. This monumental success has been powered by strategic government incentives, massive investments in cutting-edge battery technology, and a domestic market that's enthusiastically embracing EVs. Leading the charge are companies like BYD, SAIC, and Geely, not just in sheer numbers, but in groundbreaking innovation, offering a spectrum of vehicles from budget-friendly to luxury models that are redefining the automotive landscape. China's meteoric rise in the EV sector is no accident. It's the outcome of visionary government policies like the New Energy Vehicle Initiative, featuring generous subsidies, tax incentives, and ambitious mandates for EV production. The nation has also poured resources into charging infrastructure, aiming for over 1 million public chargers by 2024, making EV ownership not just feasible, but convenient. Moreover, a surge in consumer demand, fueled by a growing environmental awareness and a thirst for cutting-edge technology, has been pivotal. Chinese automakers have seized this momentum, innovating not just in sleek vehicle designs, but also in groundbreaking battery technology, pushing the frontiers of electric mobility to new heights. With this groundbreaking achievement, China has not only solidified its place as the world's EV manufacturing powerhouse, but has also set an unprecedented benchmark for the global automotive industry. The ripple effects are monumental. Traditional car manufacturers worldwide are now in a frantic race to catch up, with many either forging strategic partnerships with Chinese firms or pouring massive investments into their EV divisions. This seismic shift could redefine global trade dynamics, with China poised to export not just finished vehicles, but also cutting-edge batteries and technology, challenging and potentially upending the West's long-held dominance in automotive markets. The environmental implications of producing 10 million EVs are nothing short of revolutionary. China's urban landscapes are already witnessing a breath of fresh air, thanks to this electric revolution. This monumental shift is in perfect harmony with China's ambitious goals to peak carbon emissions before 2030 and achieve carbon neutrality by 2060. The dramatic reduction in fossil fuel consumption from these electric vehicles could drastically shrink China's carbon footprint, setting a powerful example for other nations to emulate in the global battle against climate change. Despite this monumental achievement, significant challenges lie ahead. Battery recycling, grid capacity, and the looming threat of overproduction are pressing concerns that demand innovative solutions. Yet within these challenges lie immense opportunities for groundbreaking advancements in areas such as extending battery life, enhancing energy storage, or even integrating EVs into the national grid for dynamic energy feedback. China's leadership in EV production uniquely positions it to spearhead these innovations, not only ensuring its own sustainability, but also setting the stage to export these cutting-edge technologies worldwide. China's groundbreaking achievement of producing 10 million electric vehicles in a single year is not just an industrial milestone, it's a visionary leap towards the future of sustainable transport. This monumental shift is redefining not only China's automotive industry, but also its emerging role as a global leader in environmental stewardship. If this deep dive into China's electric revolution has ignited your curiosity, give us a like, subscribe for more captivating insights into how technology and policy are reshaping our world, and share this video to spread the word about this transformative journey. Thank you for joining us on Milwaukee Insights, where we navigate the roads leading to a greener, more interconnected future.